Hi, boys and girls. We are going to use models today to show multiplication of decimals. So we talked about multiplying decimals, and when we use a model, it can be something as simple as a hundredths grid, which is what this is right here. So this entire box represents the number 1, and they have cut that number 1 into 100 little boxes. So if we look at what they've shaded in orange, we can see there are 12 of these little boxes shaded. So this model represents 12 hundredths because there's 100 of them. So 12 out of 100, which would be a fraction, 12 over 100. And then as a decimal, it's going to be 12 hundredths, 0.12. Now, if I was going to multiply that decimal, 12 hundredths times the number 4, it would be the same as repeated addition, right? So we know that, can I drag this? Oh, yeah, I can. Oh, cool. Okay. We know that 12 hundredths plus 12 hundredths plus 12 hundredths plus 12 hundredths is the same as multiplying by 4. So we're going to just go in here. I've got some, find my pen. Got some areas here that I can shade. So let me, one sec. Drag this box out of the way. Okay. So now you can see we've got 12 hundredths there. If I'm to take another color like green, and I also want to shade 12 hundredths, it would be the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 there, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there's 12 hundredths in green. Now, another 12 hundredths in blue would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm using dots because it's easier than dragging the pen, which I tried doing earlier. Now we're going to take the red and we're going to shade 12 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in there in red, I have individually shaded 12 hundredths. Now, we would write this as 4 times 12 hundredths, like that. And the answer is going to be all of the boxes that we have shaded here, all of the hundredths. And when we calculate that, we say, well, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Each one of these represents 10. And then 8 red ones. So we know that the answer is 48 of these little boxes, which we call hundredths. So we would write our answer as 0.48 or 48 hundredths. And all we did with the model was use it to represent 4 times 12 hundredths is 48 hundredths. It's just a visual. It's a way of showing somebody visually how this works. That's all they're asking you to do today for your lesson, which is 4-3.